Guys, Jared here. Today I'm going to be doing another Minecraft plugin tutorial. And just an FYI, if I sound a little irritated, it's because this is the third time doing this video because um, the first time I had everything and I hit F10 and all of a sudden my computer froze. Uh, don't know why. And then the second time my internet dropped out about 2 minutes through, so I was like right in the middle of explaining what WOMP server was before I could finish, and then I just cut off. So I was just like, wonderful. So enough babbling on. Today we're gonna do HawkEye. HawkEye is an anti-grief plugin similar to Logblock, Prism, and Big Brother. Big Brother is probably my all-time favorite, but since it stopped being developed, HawkEye is probably my new favorite. HawkEye is a little bit different. It uses a MySQL database. I think Logblocks does too, but it's kind of just a preference thing. I prefer HawkEye over Logblock because I'm familiar with it. Uh, so the link for HawkEye will be in the description below. Just click download. I'm just gonna discard it because I've already got a jar. And then next you want to go to um, wompserver.com/en/backslash, excuse me. Now scroll down to the downloads for WOMP server and download WOMP server 64 bits and PHP 5.3 2.2e. Open that. It won't actually download anything yet. It'll just say warning, you have to have Visual C++ 2010 SP Service Pack 1 redistributable package x86 or x64. Um, So if you don't have that and you get an error, just download 64-bit or 32-bit. Or if you don't know, then well, I don't know. um, so if you do not want to um, get the news from Alterform, you can just go to a direct link right here, click it, and it'll automatically start downloading. So I'll just go there, I guess. So it's gonna start downloading. I'm just gonna wait for it to, so I can cancel it. Cancel. Um, so now what I need to do real quick is uninstall WOMP server. WOMP server, uninstall. Alright, give that a minute or two, or 5 seconds rather. Alright, that's done. So now we can take the exe we've got and run that. And in the meantime, while that's running, let's go to our Minecraft server, go into the plugins, open that, drag and drop HawkEye into the folder, run it. Now don't freak out, it'll say it's disabled right there. That's because we haven't set up a MySQL database. MySQL database setting up is not very hard to do. So now let's stop the server for now. Now the WOMP server setup is up, so now just click next, now click accept. I'm gonna install it to my D drive or my hard drive because my SSD is not that it doesn't have space, it's got about 100 gigs left, but installing things and uninstalling things really frequently on your SSD is not very good. Um, some people don't agree with me on this, but that's just kind of my thing, and I've seen enough to believe that that is what actually does happen after a while. Now keep in mind this won't happen right away, but over time. I don't know how we got on to talking about computer parts, but or SSDs in particular, but yeah, that's that. So I'm just gonna install it to my hard drive now. Click next, create a desktop icon, next. Keep in mind the exe that we downloaded, it was not the launcher, that is just the setup. So now just click open, next, next, or if you're gonna do other stuff then just click that and uncheck it so it doesn't launch right away. So now if you come down to the bottom right hand corner and you look in the green, it says WAMP server. You're going to put that online, and if it's orange like that and it doesn't go to green after you put it online, that means that port 80 is being used. In particular, I know Skype listens on port 80 every so often, so close out of Skype and then retry it. If not, I can make a tutorial on do how to get rid of port 80 and determine what is using port 80 and what to close. So that's a tutorial for another video, or idea for another video. Um, but yeah, that will be up soon probably. Uh, Now that we've got a WAMP server online, you're going to want to click localhost. Now go down to SQL Buddy. Just hit enter or just click submit, either or. Now we're going to want to create a new database. So name it, let's just name it Minecraft. We'll just let this go for now. So, whoops, didn't mean to do that. Now go up to users and name, just do Minecraft, password, Minecraft. This is going to be gone anyways, so there's no point in trying to connect to it because I mean, it's the same thing. You just be connecting to your own thing. You're not going to be connecting to my SQL database, so don't even try it. It'll probably be gone anyways. Um, so now we're going to want to go back into our HawkEye, our plugins folder, and then go to HawkEye, and then go to our config, edit that with whatever. I personally like Notepad++ the best, because it tells you what line your screw up is on. It'll tell you what length, what line, what column, what section. So it's just helpful. And then the text will display in red. So let's see if I can get it to go. Yeah, see how it's red. So that's that. Uh, so now for the username, we're going to put Minecraft since that's what we named the username. Go down to hostname. No, not hostname. Password. Make sure hostname's localhost, or if you're using a different host, then go ahead and put that in. Password was Minecraft, I believe, yeah. And then the database was Minecraft. So now we should just be able to file, save, or Control S. I usually use Control S, but I just wanted to show you guys what most people use, I guess. I could be wrong, but whatever. So now what you're going to want to do is just run Minecraft, and then you will see that it says right here, HawkEye version 1.0.7b is enabled. And you might get these entity errors and stuff. Most of the time it's just saying that HawkEye is not enabled, or that world that it's not enabled, or could not pass events to it. What was I going with that? Oh yeah, could not pass event, entity change, block event. It's just blocks changing and that sort of stuff. So it says if you look, it says warning and it says not found and stuff like that. Everything's fine because it will actually create tables for HawkEye which store your data on. So that's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. So now I'll show you how it looks when you go to your Minecraft database. It'll show HawkEye, Hawks underscore players, Hawk underscore worlds, HawkEye. I believe if you click this, it'll show you what's all on here. It might not, but whatever. So you can see it's working. So let me get on my Minecraft. No, it would not like to update. Oh crap, I've got mods on. I was playing Buildcraft and stuff. Logistic pipes and thermal expansion. Those are some pretty fun mods. So I'm just gonna make a copy of my Minecraft real quick. And now Okay, so that's that. I'll just force update it now. I gotta make sure. Okay, I'm pretty sure the craft bucket I have is the newest one. Oh, I gotta opt myself. Any minute now. Okay, so it's up, and yep. So now when you do /help, you'll get HawkEye commands. So if you do help HawkEye, Hawk. Okay, there we go. So /Hawk. Hawk tells you everything. So now just to make sure HawkEye is actually working, do /plugins, and plugins HawkEye is enabled because it is green. If it's in red, that means it's not enabled or it is broken. So now I'll just try and do a quick demonstration. So that'll be saved in the database. So now you can just do /HawkEye tool, and you can check check who placed it. So it'll show I placed it, when I placed it, and what I changed if I broke anything. So I changed. I placed a block because it says block placed. Now if I destroy the block real quick and I right click or place a block down, it'll say I broke the block. So now if you have world edit installed, you can roll back. Um, but since I don't have world edit, I can't select parameters to roll back, or I can't select a region/area to roll back. I might be able to though. HawkEye rollback. HawkEye rollback. R10 time 2 minutes. Oh, I was able to do it. Oh, well, I guess that's just an easier way to roll back. Um, oh no, excuse me, I just had an epic fail. What world edit does, when you have world edit, you'll be able to roll back world edit commands. Like, so if I world edited from here to, I don't know, here I edited TNT and blew up, or I used the axe to set TNT and blow it up, I'd be able to roll it back so that it wasn't there and nothing blew up. So that's that. Hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Sorry it was kind of long, and yeah. Stay tuned for Metro Last Light gameplay. I've got it pre-ordered, and can't wait till it comes out. Comes out next Tuesday, so 10, 9.5 to 10 days. So yeah, I'm done, guys. So stay tuned for that, and until next time, guys. See ya.